H.I.P. H.O.P. without the boy H.O.V. Not only NYC, I'm hip-hop savior. So after this flow, you might owe me a favor. When Kingdom come, you ready? When Kingdom come, I'm ready. When Kingdom come, I'm ready.
Obisa o mai o a maroni kou Lasi foi te pakama Peke whakaneme lava Le damu whawhaifala Lo whangai kua Se kai puka yala Malosa mua Malosa mua Mamosa mua Mamosa mua E whamarua kwanu sai Kala kau kuai au kiroanga sela waia Malo kau kua Sali no yo mangaku Peo aso kui mangua Sisi bere fua Isi bere fua Isi mai liua Sisi mai lo lunga lau whanu Vai masura Sisi mai lo lunga lau whanu Vai masole Aua ke songa pole Le pule Pule lapa oi lo wola Ufai kau manga onga Ufai kau walofa Kau kau poya lofa Manu
King New York, New York.
Sai, o teu me vai usar. Nikele me fala grabe kuku mane kupe. Was my mai on the pole, the road you wa fa on hold it ko inga walking I know my body kiba anga. Find the bring us yawa kani you must speak up. Angle ma 41 ma take fa ko fa yanga. Let's show a finger mama swa parani. No kau ko mai e au pe inga se karu fa ya kaita. O momo ngala banga nganga. Ai akele a ko nga wa na ro fa ya we ko kauia. Ingo siam kau balea Wai la ikea kau ko pe millionaire Ai akpe oi mare akua Blok meke man Samoa O mai le uku fa Samoa O le wo foa Eles te popa fia fai doa Eles te shoa ke fa soa
I'm not afraid to take a stand Everybody, come take my hand We'll walk this road together through the storm Whatever weather, cold or warm Let you know that you're not alone Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road
Tengo kuoso, whano kono koinga Ke ngofo la whakariko wainga Kisonga kono a lelele mai lo lima Whapusare umang lola mokutanga i rau fiola Ola mai kukuila, amika samo sema ngaya Yo am likala samo kasoa songa faya Le lava mpiba, le peyo gonga gonga ila Kau ngua ipo ko inga, wikano faya kaita Ange yang ngalo maya, uange yang ngalo maya Ula pengi nga pele pea o ilo faku Lau Samoa, la fa Samoa nge ngalo aki O Samoa lo soka waki
I'm not afraid to take a stand Everybody, come take my hand We'll walk this road together through the storm Whatever weather, cold or warm Let you know that you're not alone Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road And I just can't keep living this way So starting today I'm breaking out of this cage I'm standing up, I'ma face my demon I'm manning up, I'ma hold my ground I've had enough, now I'm so fed up Time to put my life back together right now It was my decision to get clean, I did it for me Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you So I could come back a brand new me, you helped see me through And don't even realize what you did, cause believe me I've been through the ringer, but they can do little to the middle finger I think I got a tear in my eye, I feel like the king of my world Haters can make like bees with no stingers and drop dead No more beef flingers, no more drama from now on I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father So I solemnly swear to always treat this roof like my daughters and raise it You couldn't lift a single shingle on it Cause the way I feel, I'm strong enough to go to the club or the corner pub And lift the whole liquor counter up Cause I'm raising the bar I shoot for the moon but I'm too busy gazing at stars I feel them